play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am 𝒹𝒾𝒶, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisper, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So I was wondering if I could come up with like a Beyoncé hairstyle, you know, her signature color, which is blonde. And y'all, I got a wig, and this is what I got. So let me tell you a little bit about this unit. It is called Magic Lace, aka HD 360 lace wig, baby. This is a lace all the way around the edge of the hair. So if you want to put it up in a ponytail, baby, you can put it up in a ponytail. And also she is a deep part, and she's also pre-plucked. Now the color that I got is a FF/gold mocha, and if you don't like that color, she comes in several other colors. Let's get into the details on the inside of this unit. This lace, beautiful. And also with the inside of this, it comes with 2 combs. And she also comes with 1 comb in the back. And she comes with adjustable straps. Enough with all the details. Let's go ahead and install this wig. So y'all already know I reuse my cap, period. Pooh. Girl, I have to take this off because how am I supposed to cut the lace in the back? Like, girl, I was so excited. I wanted to put this wig on. I'm like, girl, how can I cut this lace in the back? But I went on ahead and I took it off. I had a hard decision trying to figure out, do I want to keep it like this or do I want to get the mousse and put it in my hair? And so, y'all, I went with the mousse. This unit right here is most definitely over a 10 if I were to rate it. The lace, everything about this unit is so perfect. The curls, but like, can you really see the lace? Because you can't, because I can't. But yeah, baby, this is a winner. Beyonce, come on, girl. This ain't Texas. I didn't even use any foundation in the part. We have another good unit, y'all. I have absolutely nothing else to say, but you know, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Makes the fellas go. Whoa. Makes the fellas go.